Hey guys, welcome to another Meraki Minute. You recognize that guy in the MV? If you're a fan of the Marvel MCU, you probably do. So today we're going to show you how you can actually pick up faces with Meraki MV cameras and pass them through AWS recognition and make sense of whatever you're looking at in the picture. We're going to run this FaceRec script, which essentially takes a snapshot of whatever I'm showing it. And it will pass that snapshot through AWS recognition and try to detect a face in the image and try to recognize that face. I'm using the new Meraki Python SDK for this purpose. And it seems it managed to recognize Thanos in that picture, right? So I can show him the script something else. I can show perhaps this guy over here. Let's see if the script knows who this guy is. And of course I have pre-trained the system for this purpose. All you really have to do is upload images of faces to Amazon S3 via the Boat03 API, and then you label those images so that you're actually able to recognize them. You're actually able to recognize specific people. Right, so here we have the script actually detecting that that's Thor, right? And it has labeled Thor's face over there. Now, if I wanted to show the script for AWS someone they don't yet know, I would have to do that process of actually uploading that picture to S3. So I'm gonna do just that now. So I'm going to run this other script. It's called import.py, and it's going to essentially just take a snapshot, show it to me, upload it to Amazon S3, and ask me to label it, right? So it's going to take a snapshot of that face I'm showing it. And it's going to show it back to me so that I'm sure of what I'm uploading, right? So we're going to keep that one. We're gonna label it Natasha. Now we should be able to pick up faces that her face in whatever picture we show it. Now, what happens if I wanted to perhaps show the script something like this, right? So that picture is a little bit large, so I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit so that I can pick up some of the faces that I have already uploaded. Right, so you see all those over there. Cool. Now we're gonna run this little attendance script over here. This one essentially what we'll do is it will just pick up images sequentially and compare against a list, right? So I have a list over here. Contains a bunch of faces that I have already trained the system with. So let's just run this attendance script and see how it fares. And it's taking a snapshot. Remember what I'm showing it. That's a bunch of Avengers right there. Let's see what it does. It somehow picked up Natasha twice. Let's just rerun it. See if it does better the second time. I might have to just go over the logic in attendance.py just to make sure that I don't have any mistaken steps over there. So basically this is what it picked up, right? You see a bunch of Avengers in the picture, a couple that it could not actually pick up successfully. It actually mistakenly picked up Natasha, Gamora as Natasha over here. So But yeah, that's basically just a sample of what you can actually do with the AWS API and your MV camera. So see you later for another Meraki Minute.